The next ledger accounts that we prepare is discount on issue, securities, premium and share issue expenses. How do we go about with discount on issue of debentures? Discount on issue is an asset, so opening balance is on the debit side, closing is on the credit side. Now you have to see how many debentures have been issued at a discount. Shares will never be issued at a discount, only debentures will be issued at a discount. In the adjustments they will give you that the discount percentage will be given in the adjustment. So use that discount percentage and see the difference between current year and the previous year debentures. So these are the number of debentures issued during the year. Multiply it by the discount percentage, you will get discount on issue. So discount is increasing because of debentures, so you will record debentures here. Now we studied in shares chapter that whenever there is discount, the difference has to be adjusted from SPR. So if in the question you have SPR, please use SPR. If in the question you do not have SPR, look for capital reserve. If in the question you do not have capital reserve also, please use PNL. But sometimes in the question they may directly say that discount was adjusted from PNL. So in that case you write PNL. But if nothing has been mentioned, you have to check for these ledger accounts. If it is there, please write it. Otherwise, if it's not there, then only you write PNL. After discount of issue of debentures, you check for securities premium account. Securities premium is an liability, so opening is on the credit side, closing is on the debit side. SPR will go up when you are issuing the shares or debentures at a premium. So if in the adjustment the question says debentures were issued at a premium or shares were issued at a premium, if shares are issued at a premium, write share capital. If debentures are issued at a premium, write debentures. You will see the difference between shares or debentures, whichever are issued at premium, and apply the premium percentage. Now SPR could have been used to adjust for discount or share issue expenses or underwriting commission or bonus shares. If you have any of this in the question, then please write the amounts here. So you have to first prepare these accounts, find out how much you are writing off, and then write the same amount here. Difference in SPR goes to PNL. So if PNL is coming on this side, then when you are preparing the operating activity, you will minus it. If PNL is coming on this side, then while preparing the operating activity, you will plus it. Please remember, in all the ledger account, this side is plus and this side is minus. After preparing this, it could also be possible that instead of issuing the shares or debentures at premium, sometimes when you redeem the debentures, you give premium on redemption. So in that case, the premium will reduce, so it will come here as debentures. You will see how many debentures you have redeemed by doing previous year minus current year. And if the question says that this is a premium on redemption, apply that premium percentage and write it. Again, the difference goes to PNL. If PNL comes here, it is always plus. If PNL comes here, it's always minus. Then we have ledger account for share issue expenses or underwriting commission. Both heads are prepared in the same manner. How do you go about it? While preparing share issue expenses or underwriting commission, the opening balance is recorded here, closing balance is recorded here. In the question, they will give you in the adjustments below how much is the share issue expenses or underwriting commission paid during the year, which you will record it here as share capital. Again, you will write this off from SPR, capital reserve or PNL as the case may be. Now please remember, whenever you are preparing any of the accounts, whether it is discount, share premium or share issue expenses or underwriting commission account, so there are 2-3 things apart from opening and closing. If you write share capital or you record debentures or you record PNL, so PNL means that it has to go in operating, but share capital or debenture means it has to go in financing. This side means a plus. If these items are recorded on this side, then these items means it has to be recorded as a minus. So share capital, if it is coming on this side, so minus in financing. Debentures coming on this side, so minus in financing. But PNL coming on this side, so minus in operating activity. Just like you prepare share premium account, in the same manner you might be asked to prepare capital reserve account. So if in the question you have capital reserve, then you need to prepare the capital reserve ledger account. How do you prepare the capital reserve ledger account? So you have the opening on this side and closing on, sorry, you have opening balance, you have You have opening on the credit side and closing on the debit side. Now again, capital reserve might reduce when you adjust discount, share issue expenses, underwriting commission or bonus shares from it. The difference goes to P&L. Again, P&L on this side means a plus, P&L on this side means a minus. General reserve, you need not prepare the ledger account separately, just put the difference of opening and closing in net profit before tax always. Then we come to share capital account. Sometimes in one of the past paper questions that was said by the board, they were asked you to prepare the share capital account. So opening balance you record here, closing you record here. Share capital can increase when you issue the shares for cash, when you issue the shares to the vendor, or when you give bonus shares. So bonus shares doesn't come in cash flow in the main format at all, because the amount of bonus shares is adjusted from SPI, capital reserve, or P&L. When I issue to the vendor, I'll write the vendor's name. When I issue for cash, I'll write bank.